Hi everyone, today we're going to be making bakery style double chocolate chunk muffins. I love how easy this recipe is. You don't even need a mixer, you just need a spatula and a bowl. So let's get started. 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. Dutch processed is preferable for that real chocolate punch. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda makes your muffins really light and fluffy. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1½ cups of sugar. You just want to give that a good mix. You can use a whisk or a spatula just to make sure all those ingredients are well incorporated. Now we're going to toss in 1½ cups of chocolate chunks. I prefer to use chocolate bars and then break them into smaller pieces. That way you get a variation of bigger and smaller chocolate chunks. The reason why you toss them into the dry ingredients is so that the chocolate chunks can get covered in flour, and at the time of baking they don't sink to the bottom of the muffins. Now we're going to combine the wet ingredients into a jug. The reason why I use a jug is so that it is easier to pour the wet ingredients into the dry later on. We need 2 eggs, 8 tablespoons of melted butter. Butter gives your muffins a richer taste than oil. You should always use butter. 1 tablespoon of vanilla and 1 cup of buttermilk or yogurt, whatever you have on hand. Just give that a quick whisk with a fork and then set it aside. Make a well in your dry ingredients. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Use a spatula to gently fold the ingredients together. You do not want to overbeat this mixture, otherwise you'll end up with dense muffins. You just want to fold the ingredients enough so that you can no longer see any of the dry ingredients. Don't keep mixing after that point. At this point, you need to chill your batter for at least an hour. What's even better is you can chill these overnight and make them first thing in the morning for breakfast. When you are ready to bake your muffins, take the batter out of the fridge and set it to the side. For regular muffins, fill your liners 3/4 of the way, but for those bakery style full muffins, fill them all the way to the top. Top with extra chocolate chunks. Bake at 425 Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 minutes, then reduce the heat to 350 Fahrenheit for 6 minutes longer. Well, that's my recipe for bakery style double chocolate chunk muffins. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!